Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of top products on the market. Today, we're talking about the best trekking poles collapsible cork handles, the TREKOLOGY Trex Cork SE trekking poles. Let's dive straight into what makes these poles a standout choice for outdoor enthusiasts. First off, comfort is key when you're spending hours on trails, and TREKOLOGY nailed it with the real cork handles. These grips aren't just comfortable. They actively wick away sweat and mold to your hand over time, giving you a natural, reliable hold even during intense treks. Whether you're hiking in the summer heat or navigating rugged, high-altitude terrain, these handles keep your grip secure and blister-free. Now, let's talk durability. These poles are made from aircraft-grade aluminum, which offers an incredible strength-to-weight ratio. Unlike carbon fiber poles that can snap under heavy pressure, these aluminum poles can take a beating, from rocky trails to steep inclines, and still hold strong. Reinforced metal caps on the joints add an extra layer of resilience, ensuring these sticks last you through countless adventures. Despite their strength, they're surprisingly lightweight. Each pole weighs just 10.2 ounces, making them ideal for long-distance hikes, backcountry expeditions, or even casual walks with the family. That means less fatigue on your arms and more energy to enjoy the journey. One of the smartest design choices here is the compact, foldable structure. When folded, these poles shrink down to just 15.3 inches. That's small enough to fit easily into your backpack, travel bag, or carry-on luggage. No more awkwardly strapping poles to the outside of your pack or worrying about them getting caught in airport security. When you're ready to use them, the advanced metal flip-lock system allows you to extend them anywhere between 43.3 inches to 51.2 inches. That means they're perfectly adjustable for users between 5 feet 2 inches to 6 feet 5 inches, giving you a tailored experience whether you're short, tall, or somewhere in between. The locks themselves are intuitive and firm, so they won't collapse mid-hike like cheaper alternatives. Now, versatility is where these trekking poles truly shine. They're not just for hiking. These poles are built for skiing, fishing, backpacking, stream crossing, and more. If you're someone who loves all-season outdoor sports, these are a reliable, all-in-one tool you can depend on. TREKOLOGY also includes a set of accessories to suit various terrains, from mud baskets to snow tips, so you're always prepared no matter where you go. To wrap it up, the TREKOLOGY Trex Cork SE poles deliver on every front: comfort, durability, portability, and adjustability. They're designed for beginners and seasoned adventurers alike. Whether you're planning your first day hike or prepping for an extended backpacking trip, these trekking poles are a game-changer. That's it for today's product critique. If you're ready to level up your outdoor game, check out the TREKOLOGY trekking poles through the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next trail.